Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on my computer. Tutorial 16, synchronize Yammer to the computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, go to business. So we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to the bottom of the screen to explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on All Company within My Communities, go to Files, now scroll all the way to the top and let's click on three dots, click on the button called Synchronize. We're syncing your files. Let's minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Try again. The synchronize has taken place. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. Now we should have a folder created within Favorites called Computer Science Videos, All Company, Yammer, and there we have the files, the Excel file, the document, the PDF, and the presentation, the video, another folder, and the image. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Google Chrome, and there we have it. Yammer has been synchronized to the desktop. If I were to create another folder, let's call this folder Hello World, and this should upload in real time. So there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome, quit Finder, and so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.